If you like to backpack, hike, climb, or run rivers, you need the Ultralight and Watertight .7. At a little over 6 ounces, this kit is designed for adventures where every ounce counts and exposure to the elements will be an issue. Inside the .7, everything is protected in a tough, Dry-Flex waterproof bag. Everything is stored inside of an ultralight sil nylon bag that is seam sealed to provide layers of protection. Rain, snow, water, sandstorms, nothing will get inside these bags. Inside, you will find quality supplies you have come to expect from Adventure Medical Kits, including butterfly wound closure strips to close wound edges, sterile dressings, bandages, antibiotic ointment, and antiseptic towelettes to dress wounds and help prevent infection. Pre-cut and shaved moleskin blister dressings make easy work of treating blisters and hot spots. No scissors required. Inside are medications for muscle inflammation, pain, and allergic reactions. Our exclusive precision-pointed splinter pickers will help you remove the finest of slivers and ticks. And duct tape for everything else. The Ultralight Watertight .7 is designed for 1 to 2 people for up to 4 days. It will help you treat the minor or major illnesses and injuries, and to get you back on your feet, in your kayak, or on your bike as quickly as possible. Tested, abused, and approved by adventure racers all over the world, the Ultralight Watertight series will be up to any adventure you throw at it.